Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through an easy guide on how to download lead list in Propwire. So to get started, so first thing to do is to go to Propwire website and sign in into your account using your account credentials. Then from the dashboard, open either your saved lead section or a search result page containing the lead you want to download. So from there, check the box next to the property or lead you want to include in your download. Then you can also click select all to choose every lead on the page. Then find the click and export the button, usually located at the top right of the page. Then select the preferred file type. Most users choose CSV or the Excel format for easy data use. So once you're done with that, confirm and download. So once download, you can open it in Excel, Google Sheet, or any compatible program to view and manage the lead. And that's how you can easily download lead list in Propwire. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more